Don't help you carry that big box.
Yeah.
Oh, you sure? Right. I'm coming to help. Oh, Nelly, you're going to break your back. Come on, we need it. We're making a video.
Stop it!
Come on, I thought you said teamwork. You carry the other boxes out. Teamwork together.
I'm doing this one by myself now.
You can't do this one by yourself.
I
It's going to be a long day. Come on, no, don't push that off. Come on. Do it together. We just got the other one out. What happened to teamwork?
I don't want to.
Right, you're all alone then. I'll do it myself. Saturday, about 7:30 in the morning. It's getting light out. The mornings are getting better. I still haven't done my table, my resin table, but it is coming next week. I promise you. We've just got to do a few little repairs on some of the wood in it with some 2-part wood filler before we do it. But oh, we're dark in here. Guess what? It is Saturday morning. And we are live on QVC later on. And here is where I normally have my desk, yeah? Over here. And then mix up all my paints. I clean all my pots in the sink there. Get all my paints ready. Double them up. Test them all. This is obviously before the show. But I'm not organised at all. So I've got to make a new area. And then we're outside. It is outside here, so again all the Wagner stuff, we have it all on trolleys, slides in and out and things. So we've got to basically, they all got brought in. Some of the stuff got brought in yesterday, but we're going to set it up again around here so it looks nice. Set things up on the walls. We've got about 4 hours to get prepped, so no time to stop and smell the roses. Nellie's found a little waterfall here in Sefton Park. Well, we haven't got a change of clothes. This could be disastrous. I don't mean change clothes for me. For Nelly. Careful you don't fall. No, you know, I'm just videoing them. It's okay, thanks. Yeah, one of them are going to fall in. It's probably going to be here. Nelly, slow down. Come on, come across. Nelly, slow down. Nelly. Nelly, come away. You've got an audience, come on. Yeah, it's going to be entertaining, isn't it, at least? Uh-oh. There you are, Nelly. Do you know what this place is called? It's the Glass House at the Palm, I think, is it? Palm House in Liverpool. Daddy's hosted a show here. I hosted the Echo Awards at this place about 10 years ago. Been in a few other events as well in there. It's great, it's lovely inside. It's spectacular inside. Come on, Lennon. It's like one big, huge greenhouse now. Just with thousands of plants in. It was all open plan when I was last here. You alright, Tiger? You okay, Tiger? Yeah? Is that man slipping? Yes, caution. That's because the floor's wet. Come this way. You can't slip?
No, I got shoes on.
You got your shoes on? Okay, well, be careful. You climbing up, Nell?
Yeah.
Wow.
I need any help.
That's big climbing now. Okay. Careful. You're high up now, aren't you? Very careful. Keep your hands down close.
I'm gonna go that
Okay, do you think you can make it today? So bend down, lean your hands on it forward first. Come on, lean over. That's it, put your hands on, right, that's it, you're on. Good girl. Good girl. Ooh. How high is that, Nelly? Touch the clouds. There's a squirrel on the tree, look. What do you think, big man? I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking.
No, I want to sit on that log.
I bet you do.
Can you
Stay there, Nelly.
go climb across?
Wait, no, you can slip in from there. Careful. Super Dad to the rescue. This would be funny, won't it? If Phil goes live on my Facebook. Go on, Phil.
Tuck and roll, tuck and roll.
Good moves. We have to get.
See you later.
Wasn't what we were hoping for, Kate, was it?
Not really.
No, you come down yourself.
Come on, Nelly.
Get on, I said.
Okay.
Get down, Slippery. Get down, I said. I'm going down to the tree.
Hello. Hello.
It's a tree monster.
Go on then.
Come on, let's go. We'll go see the big house.
There's a glass house. You have to break the door open.
Hurry up before it gets any
Uh-oh.
deeper.
Yeah.
Hurry up before it gets any deeper. Oh my goodness. Okay,
Good.
here we go.
Test driving.
Woohoo.
Oh, wait a second.
Have we got to put it in
We've got-
something? What are we in? Terrain.
Terrain, yeah. Oh, going through a river. Nice, no problem.
No problem.
Ooh,
How's
there
it
you go.
now,
Santa Fe. Thumbs up for going through the water.
Phil?